Hi guys. Welcome back. We know how demotivated are you, and that's the reason behind watching this video. Want any kind of assistance regarding academic writing? Check the website mentioned below. So let's begin. So here are the contents that will be discussed today. So academic writing is a clear and concise writing that provides facts and information to the readers. So writer and filmmaker stated that a day of bad writing is always better than a day of no writing. The famous quote by Don Rolfe for academic writing. Academic writing can be categorized into four main types. Every type has specific features and purpose. Descriptive is the simplest type. It provides facts and information. Analytical is descriptive, but it also contains analysis. Persuasive writing has all the features of analytical writing, but it also contains personal perspective of the author. Critical writing contains all the features of persuasive writing but has two perspectives. First is of the author. The second perspective is of another school of thought. Some of the reasons and characteristics of academic writing includes conveying acquired knowledge. It enables the author to present research and evidence on a specific topic. It allows the author to think critically and focus on a specific structure and style. The characteristics of academic writing include being unbiased, formal, and a piece of writing that conveys author's opinions. Persuade, present your opinions and stance. Inform, share facts and other information. Present evidence. Analyze, investigate causes, inspect effects, assess effectiveness, and find relationship between ideas or factors. Narrative, present a story. Audience engagement, audiences have interest in the topic. Academic writing helps in catching their interest. Stimulates intellectual development. Academic writing such as research work compels an individual to conduct a thorough review of the topic. Therefore, it makes a person grow intellectually. Formal writing. Academic writing enables a person to be impartial as it is unbiased. Thanks for listening to us. Don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon.